Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Thursday, January 16th of 2025. We are convening a session of the Philadelphia Tax Review Board. My name is Melissa Andre, and I'm the Executive Director. With me today is our Board Chair, Paula Weiss, as well as Board members Ryan Boyer, George Matthews, John O'Connor, and Nancy Cameradiner. Did I say everybody? Thank you. All right, good. Please be aware that this is a public hearing and it is being recorded. Because the meeting is public, participants and viewers have no expectation of privacy. And by continuing to be in this meeting, you are consenting to being recorded. This recording will be posted on the Tax Review Board's website. At this time, I'm going to give control of the board to, of the meeting to our board chair, Paula Weiss, and go from here.
Okay, thank you. Hearings for January 16th, 2025 are now in session. Before we turn to the one matter that we still have in front of us for conversation today, there are a few administrative matters to read into the record from our docket. Starting with case number 2, last 4 digits of the docket 9865, and case number 3, last 4 digits of the docket 9864. Both the petitioner is nuts to you for both. Properties are 1500 Market Street and 2001 Chestnut Street. These matters have been withdrawn, which takes us to the remaining matter on our docket. Those are listed as cases 1, 4, 5, 6 for the original Apostolic Faith Church, 1512-16 North Broad Street. I'm going to read those docket numbers into the record just for us to get started. And they are docket numbers ending in 9197, 6641, 9198, 6640. And I believe we have a representative here for that property. Can you, and where did she go? I lost her. Oh, Ms. Hayward. Good afternoon.
Yes,
my name is Paula Weiss, Chair of the Tax Review Board. Can you please state your name for the record and your position with the church?
My name is Deborah Hayward. My name is spelled D as in David, EBORAH. My last name is Hayward, HAYWARD, and I am a volunteer for the church.
And you have authorization to represent them in this matter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And who has this matter for the city?
Good afternoon, Amy Skiles on behalf of the city. Both myself and my colleague, Caitlin Carmody, will be handling this matter.
Thank you. Welcome to both of you. Is this matter ready to go forward, or is there a continuance request in this matter that we have not yet addressed?
I can, this matter, there is counsel for the church, Mr. Jason Rabinovich. I did get an email from Mr. Rabinovich this afternoon at 1:35 that he was supposed to be on a one-day trial that did not finish up yesterday and is rolling into this afternoon. As a result, he is not available and did request that we continue the matter. Just for the record, the city was prepared to go forward today, but Mr. Rabinovich did request a continuance.
Okay, I do not believe, Ms. Andre, did we get any request in our office?
Yes, it looks like it was not sent to me, but it was sent to the license and inspection email address that we have for petitioners to communicate with that specific tax category.
Okay.
Do you want a history of the case?
Yes.
Okay. The petition was filed in February 10th of 2022. It was first listed before the board on 9/28 of 2023. It was again listed on February 9th of 2023. Oh, I did that backwards. I apologize. First, it was listed on February 9th of 2023. Then it was listed on September 28th of 2023. It was again listed in February 16th of 2024. And then again, it was listed on October 3rd of 2024. And all of these requests were continuances made or requests made for continuances by the petitioner. And the last continuance, the one on October 3rd of 2024, the board had marked it no further continuances.
Okay. So, Ms. Hayward, we recognize your attorney is attached elsewhere and don't want to penalize you or the church for that. However, this is now the fifth opportunity that your organization has had to move this forward. And that's a real concern for us. We have other people, other petitioners, other organizations waiting their turn. And every time we list the church, we bump someone else who has to wait and did not get an opportunity for a hearing on their matter. So my question to you is, if we provide a date certain, how sure are we that we're going forward? Because we're not going to continue this indefinitely.
Oh, absolutely. We definitely would not want an indefinite continuance. We've been trying to resolve this matter as well, but we do respect that council oftentimes is pulled into trials and other legal matters that are beyond our control. So, such as today, he was pulled into a trial that he expected to end yesterday. It's just unfortunate. So, another date, we would ask our counsel if he could please communicate, to the courts regarding any trials that he's assigned to, that those dates are unavailable, so that he can give, this the attention that it deserves.
Yes, I mean, I would strongly suggest that we get priority to resolve this after all this time and all these opportunities that the church has been provided to move forward. Ms. Andre, if this case is continued today, can we give it a date certain?
Can communicate with Mr. Rabinovich and Ms. Skiles about a date in April, a Thursday in April in particular, where we can schedule this case. It will be a date certain. It will be no further continuances. It will have all of the things that we can do to ensure that this case goes forward. I can email Mr. Rabinovich and give him an option between 2 days, maybe the 10th and the 17th, and just say, pick one, that's it.
Right. I mean, I would suggest, yes, adding that there will be no continuances.
Yeah.
Does anybody else any other board members have any comments they want to make?
No.
Okay. Can I get confirmation and concurrence that this will be continued to a date certain in April, and there will be no continuances in this matter?
Ryan Bowie, I concur.
John O'Connor, I concur.
Nancy Cameradiner, I concur.
George Matthews, I concur.
Paula Weiss, I concur. So Ms. Hayward, I hope you'll please impress upon Mr. Rabinovich that there will be no continuances. We are going forward once the date is confirmed through Ms. Andre and through our office that this hearing will go forward in April. And that's it. We're done. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I appreciate your consideration. Thank you so very much.
Thank you. You will get a letter. I guess Mr. Rabinovich is probably the one we're communicating with. He'll have a letter within 2 weeks with that decision that the matter has been continued. Will be relisted. There will be no continuances in the matter once it is relisted for April. And hopefully we'll move forward at the next hearing. So thank you for coming in. And Ms. Skiles, we appreciate that the city is prepared to move forward. And unfortunately, we're not doing that today.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so that matter is concluded for today. And I think that is our docket. Yes?
Melissa, then we have a lot of under advisements. You want to handle them now?
I do. If you guys could just stay right here. Well, not
Board member.
Yeah,
The
board
hearing,
members could just stay. I'll be right back.
okay, so the hearings are concluded. Thank
Yes.
you, everyone. Board members are going to stay on for a meeting after post hearing.
Thank you so much.
Great. Thank you
everyone.
so much.
Good weekend. See you
All right.
next.
All right.